Connection. The world goes round with connections. We bind your lives in one of the most important connections of your lives, the electrical connection. We are Havells. At Havells, we manufacture a wide range of cables and wires in our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Albert. At every step of the manufacturing, we ensure that quality is maintained and that the customer gets a product that is safe and long-lasting. The manufacturing process of panel wires begins with procuring the best quality 8 mm copper rods that are the basic raw material. The copper rods are first drawn to the required size with online annealing. Annealing is a process in which copper is heated and then slowly cooled to increase its ductility and reduce its hardness to make it more workable and flexible. The drawn and annealed wires are then bunched together to form a flexible conductor. The conductor is then provided with heat-resisting insulation. This insulation can be operated with 105 degrees Celsius conductor temperature during continuous operation. All insulated cores are passed through high-voltage spark tester ranges from 6 kV to 10 kV, which ensures insulating layer completely free from contamination, imperfection or pinholes within insulating layer. These insulated wires are coiled in an automatic coiler to ensure 100% correct delivery length. For us, safety of the customers is of paramount importance, and so we conduct rigorous tests before the wires are sent for packing and final dispatch. At Havells, we constantly strive to expand our horizons, and to that end, we are now manufacturing low-tension and high-tension power and control cables. We manufacture HT power cables up to 66 kV, 1.1 kV power cables and 1.1 kV copper control cables. We have recently increased our capability to produce the EHV cables up to 220 kV grade. The manufacturing process begins with the procurement of the raw material, copper or aluminium rods. The wires are drawn to the required size. Once the wires are drawn, they go for annealing. For HT screened cables, the next stage is stranding. Here, the required conductor size is manufactured as per the specified design. These stranded conductors are screened with an extruded semiconducting compound. Both HT screened cables and LT unscreened cable conductors are insulated with either PVC or XLPE as per the required specification. The insulated cores of the HT screened cables are once again screened with an extruded semiconducting compound. Havells' triple extrusion process ensures perfect bonding of insulation and semiconducting layers, and thus there is no air void formation which may lead to premature failure. The conductor screening, insulation and insulation screening is done in single process along with online curing through curing tube of CCV line extruder. However, PVC cables do not require curing. The HT screened cables undergo the process of insulation screening with metallic parts. Here, the copper tape is applied helically with 100% coverage over insulated and screened cores. All rewound cores then go for laying up, where they are arranged together to form a cable with a specified design. According to the required specification, first inner sheathing, then armoring, and finally outer sheathing is done. All cables are rewound on wooden drums and tested as per required specifications. We take great care to ensure that no faulty cable leaves our premises. The final stage in our cables journey is packing. All tested and passed cables are packed in the required size drums, ready for dispatch. Our wires and cables are your connection to worry-free electricity, a connection to comfort, a connection to security. We are Havells.